Now, name one guy doing this live.
Kill the beat.
I understand there's a lot of scammers on doing this type of stuff, but none of them can do this live. We are the real ones. His account is permanently banned. Copy this. Connect to Activision. We don't do any free, we don't run any free accounts, so if you send us an invoice number, we'll run it for you right here live. And boom. Let's compare that. Same thing. Obviously different fonts because the console has a different font from the website, but it's the same characters. We refresh the page. Another robot, select the motorcycle. And it's most likely 99% on them. Because there's usually that 1% that sometimes it doesn't unban. But you just gotta run it again, and most of the time that fixes the issue. So no ban detected. And remember, this account was banned in every single Activision title. And now every single Activision title, there is no ban detected. Don't believe me? Check this out. If you guys still don't believe me, one of you guys go ahead and check what you're in. That's the account. Here, matter of fact, we'll put it in chat. Go check it. Go check it. It's in chat. The account we just unbanned is in chat. Go log in. I don't mind giving you guys this free account. Go check it. Go check it and come back with the results. Has anyone in chat confirmed it? There we go. So I don't know what the name of your account is, but Chinese letters or Japanese letters, I don't know what that is. Anyways, it says yes, it's confirmed. This account is unbanned. Hey, you can keep it. You can play on it if you want. And we just unbanned that account live, guys. So it's been confirmed by chat. It's an unbanned account. Let's log out of this. Obviously, his email address is in control of this account, so it's not like anyone can take it, and then he can just change the password after